What up, world? My name's Honeybee, and I am here to give you some good news about a company that I'm obsessed with now, and it's called Friendsheep. Well, I'm so excited! I feel like Sue, Surprise Sue from Saturday Night Live. Real. Okay, so I love sea turtles. Like, you'll see the sea turtles. You'll see me talking about the ocean. I may be in the ocean where you might find me on a stand-up paddleboard, and that is how I'm gonna live my life because I love the ocean. And one of the things I love the most is water. And I feel like we should protect our waters because they're obviously giving us life, right? So an important thing is less plastic. You see this all over the internet these days because there's so much plastic waste everywhere. And so I try to lessen my load buying glass bottles instead of cheap plastic, So glass, this is, a kombucha bottle. I'm going to recycle this. So these things are able to be recycled and they don't have much of an impact because they're naturally occurring, right? So one of the things that's completely unnecessary are dryer sheets or fabric softener. You can put fabric softener in your wash when you're washing the clothes, but you don't need that. You can use other modes of softening your laundry. And when you're drying your laundry, if you're not hanging your clothes, another way is to use dryer balls. So Friendsheep Wool in particular has such a great, amazing line. These are some of the balls. We got Koala Crew, Penguin Party. I'm not sure if they call it Penguin Party, but I call it Penguin Party. Then we got the Sloth Squad. So I love all of these. Now I became an ambassador because I love it so much. Why not? So basically you could use the code right below, Elemental Serenity 10, to get yourself 10% off when you go on their site. Just type that below. So they have plenty of awesome items that you can get. So they also sent me this one less plastic bag. I know it's backwards. I'll edit that later. So this got the whale on it, and it's got the Friendsheep logo on it. I'm obsessed.
Oh my god.
And when they send their packaging, it's all 100% recyclable or made from recyclable material. So it comes in this bag. There's no plastic involved. Everything is cloth.
Oh my god.
And it comes with 6 balls, so this particularly is the Koala Crew. And they even got the little koala on the bottom right here. How cute is he? Yeah, especially what's going on in Australia. I mean, it's so dear and close to my heart, helping the koalas, helping all the animals, helping the people that live in Australia. So every time I think of these koalas, I'm sending love to Australia for the burn victims and everybody that's been affected. So the reason why I love this company is because all around Elemental Serenity supports locally made products, artisans, anybody that is looking to change the world in a positive way. So the owner, Valeria, I'm not sure how you say her name because I just read it on the paper. She is quadriplegic, so she is helping to empower women with disabilities to come into their power, come into their light, help make a difference in the world, and get a job. So women with disabilities who don't have a job in Nepal are working alongside these sheep, the Friendsheep, and they are making these items by hand. So when you purchase these, you are helping to sustain jobs for these women. It's cruelty free, so everything that is done is all around just helping the planet in so many ways. We don't need dryer sheets. Dryer sheets are the devil! They have toxic chemicals that could bioaccumulate in the body, stored in your fat, okay? So you're basically, it's cheap to buy, right? You're just paying for a chemical cocktail made up in a lab. Sure, there might be animal testing involved, which is common in the States. And basically these toxins, when you're putting them on your clothes, they're on your clothes. They may smell good, but mind you, fragrances, fake fragrances don't do anything for your body. You are just literally inhaling these toxins, which are fake. So what I like to use are the essential oils on the balls. So this is also naturally occurring. Peppermint, it's just peppermint. It's a plant. Then you drop it on the darker part of the balls, throw it in the dryer, and not only does this help dry your clothes faster. They sound bumpy, like they could get a little loud, they're having a little party in there, but they're drying things at a faster rate, so you don't have to dry for as long, therefore saving energy as well. Getting in between the material and the fabrics, bouncing them around so they're not clinging to each other. So this is my best remedy for saving the planet, drying my clothes, and all around just supporting good causes, helping people get jobs, keeping things rotating. The energy behind this sort of thing is so important. I mean, they care so much about the planet. Everything they're doing is to sustain the planet. And you could share this with your friends. You could become an ambassador too. You can do a giveaway. You can do anything you want with these balls. They're so amazing. So, oh, and I had to share this with you. They also sent me these really cute, the other three are in the other room. So they're little eco fabric fresheners, and you could also put the essential oils on here as well. And this you could put in your underwear drawer, sock drawer. You could put it in your bag when you go to the gym. Basically, these are reusable, washable, and obviously you could put them in the dryer too, because if these balls are handling the dryer, these little guys can too. They also have a line for cats. They have like these cute little kitten caves made from the wool as well, and little cat toys that your kid can play with. So there's lots of different options for you to choose from for your family. Spread the love, spread the energy. I love you all. So thank you for listening and tuning in to Elemental Serenity. Please like and subscribe below. Share which oils you like to put on your wool balls. I know there's some that I've experienced if my dryer is too hot, or I just picked the wrong oil, there might be a smell that you don't like. So you just experiment with the ones that you like. Lavender is a winner. Thieves is a winner. Citrus is usually good. So just play around with different ones and find the ones that suit you, because these are reusable. So thank you again for chiming in. Use code Elemental Serenity 10. Subscribe to listen to me ramble, and like or comment below, and I'd be glad to answer any of the questions you have. And of course, if you'd like to be a part of Elemental Serenity, you could always join the crew, find your essential oils with us. You could also come to one of our classes if you're in the Chicagoland area. But thank you again for listening.